Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Royal KMH on the bench, flat black paint, and it's got a problem with the carriage return, so it doesn't index the paper up. So it's not, it should be moving that up when you hit return like this, and it doesn't. No matter where you set it, it's not turning it. Should be turning that up and down. So there's no ratchet either. So what I think is wrong is the variable in here is stuck. So you're supposed to push this in, and then this should do this. Let it out, and it should go back to ratchet. And it's not. So let's investigate and see if my theory is right, that that's just a sticky part or broken part inside of there. So let's take the roller out. We do that by first loosening these screws over here on this knob. And these are very tight sometimes, so you got to be careful and use the proper screwdriver, or you can mess these up pretty quick. Okay, so that's free. Let's we just need to move these here on the Platen, not the knob, but the Platen. And there's two of them. One of them is kind of a countersunk, so it's got to be removed all the way. Not sure if this is the one. Yes, it's got an extra portion to the bottom. This one doesn't have to be removed all the way. It can just be loosened. And now this should slip out of here. This whole rod should slip out of here. Just like that. Okay, so now this should pivot out of here. It's not pivoting. There we go. Like that. Okay. So sure enough, this is collapsed. This should be back out flush on this edge. So there it goes. Just like that. It just was sticking. Oh, it's still sticking. So let's see what it takes to flush this out. I think we can just use some lacquer thinner in here. Right in those little pivots right there. Those little plunger points. Yep, that's it. So now it's bringing back. That's all it took. We'll flush the center piece out here too. Give that a little bit degreaser action. Okay. Blow off that a little bit. Juice it back up with some red oil. And maybe that centerpiece a little bit. Like that. Blow off the excess. That's it. This should be fine now. Just sticking after 80 years. It's looking good. Alright, just got to stick it back in there and it's going to work just fine. I know it. I know it will. So now it should ratchet. Sure enough, it does. So that's it. Pretty simple fix. Just got to take it apart. Yeah, so the button's working. The button now slips, and now it's tight. All right. Well, that's exactly what I thought it was going to be. I'm going to have to do something with this roller, though. It's got got some cracks in there. Look at that. Big old cracks. It's not gonna. Probably have to recover this to use it. All right. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.